I'm thinking people have tried to get Shovel Knight in the game. Oh god. Hey cat, I understand you're needy. Stop. Yeah, our cat's sitting there like, oh, I need to be needy. Pay attention to me. Oh, was not expecting those. Oh, that would be fun to do. 0 for Mega Man. Okay, I'm gonna have to bounce on that. Okay. Second game. Oh no, it's wanting to mess with the wires with my Xbox and everything, so it won't leave me alone. Okay, no. Okay, at least I know I can do that much. Screw you, little octopus. Got the money, lost the money. Nice. At least I'm right near the boss right here. Oh, nice. There is one, I think, achievement for beating an entire level without any of those save points. But I think I'm going to do that on a later run, of course. No, I threw it in there. Why? She's been messing around with everything. Ow. What was that for, Aaron? There we go. Yeah, I was picking up my girlfriend, and yeah, I got in trouble. Do what? Oh, is that what the cat did a second ago? Hissed at you? Yeah. Oh, so another cat creeped up on the porch. You hissed at Aaron? What'd she do? Look at you like, what? Oh. Oh yeah. Well, if anybody's up for it sometime, maybe it could happen. A little bit of streaming of Smash Brothers. Who would like that? I will throw a sock at you, cat. Alright, here's the boss. Oh, you weren't kidding. They can be destroyed. And here's the boss. Let's see how many times it takes me to defeat this one. Let's just say the cat was being annoying. Even girlfriend yelled at the cat, and the cat's looking like, what? Is there a problem? Try refreshing. Is anybody else having freezing issue? Did anybody pick up Greninja today? I thought about going to Toys R Us and picking Greninja up from Toys R Us. Amiibo. It released today. It's that Pokemon with the big long tongue. Aaron. Alright, let's see, come on. Oh god. I don't know what's going on now. What? What's going on? Thank you. Yes, I'm streaming directly from the Xbox One at the maximum setting it'll let me. But yeah, I also have my PC beside me, so when even with pulling that bandwidth, I'm still doing good. I don't know what's going on here, but just leave me alone, game. Oh my gosh. At least I can, I think I got his thing of avoid everything that might kill me. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a good, well worth it. Oh. Oh my gosh, okay. Try throwing the hammer and shovel. What do you mean throw the hammer? Okay, I'm gonna try doing that. Holy crap, that did it. Spam that attack. Okay, guess I figured out how to defeat that thing without really getting hurt. So that was a quick way to kill him. Yeah, welcome everyone. How are you doing today? I'm not near my computer, so I can't announce your gamer tags or usernames you're using. But I hope you're doing well and you're enjoying the stream. If you're new to the stream, be sure to hit the follow button. I do stream quite often. Many times it's an upcoming Xbox One game, or I'm playing a game with the community, such as Neverwinter, Warframe, and other games.